as of January 12, they changed this evidence of practice, which is a lot of IENs, especially dito ng mga Filipino community, they find it very discouraging because they might consider this one another barrier sa to obtain a license. Because before this volunteer practice, we can obtain or meet our requirements through volunteer practice. Umuwi pa tayo sa Pilipinas.
Dati, pwede yung volunteer work as one of the requirements na evidence of practice. Pero ngayon, hindi na pwede yung volunteer. Kailangan, ang evidence of practice mo is paid employment.
Yes.
Na mahirap para sa ating mga IENs dahil paano ka nga makakakuha ng paid employment kung hindi ka bibigyan ng trabaho? Tataka lang ako na imbis na padaliin kasi that's where you have also been putting a lot of your effort, di ba? Na parang you're even bridging between our nursing community, the Filipino nurses community, not just Filipino nurses but internationally educated nurses here in Canada para maging logical at mas madali ang pag-absorb sa kanila dito sa ating sistema without sacrificing the safety of the patients.
Yung competence natin as being a nurse, a Filipino nurse, walang masasabi dyan. Pero dahil nga may mga instances or incidences, kaya na-generalize. Dito kasi, a mistake of one is a mistake of all. Sa mga nurses na nawawala ng pag-asa regarding the evidence of practice, tuloy-tuloy lang ang laban and then walang susuko. Nandyan na kayo eh. We're almost there. Evidence of practice na lang. Pabago-bago ang College of Nurses of Ontario, you never know, they will offer alternative pathways and wait for that resolution na hopefully ma-approve.
Isang malaking saludo para sa mga healthcare workers natin na nagtatrabaho dito sa Canada.